Whenever you call, it's whatever you like. I ain't the type to talk to however you like. I know you wanna start, but I never knew why. Was hoping you would call by the end of the night. So baby, won't you call by the end of the night?
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a butterfly lock tutorial, and right now I have my hair in some old ass soft locks, so please ignore that. I'm only going to be showing y'all on 2 pieces of hair. I'm not going to do my whole head. Anyways, I'm using 2 different types of hair, this spring twist hair and also this water wave hair by Glance. So I am going to first start off with the spring twist hair. I am going to take my jam, and this is the jam I use. I am going to just take a little bit of that, lay that down on my hair just to sleek it down, because like I said, the soft locks are old. Like I did these a minute ago, so I am just reviving my hair. I'm going to detangle it, and you should always detangle your hair before you style it. And then I'm going to braid it up.
Tax money got acting brand new, spent that on the booty. These girls still choosing. I hate not moving. Long hair don't care. Long hair.
So like I said, I'm going to be using my spring twist hair first. So right now I'm just going to unravel it because it comes already twisted, and I'm going to do that to 2 pieces.
Waiting, I ain't even gotta say shit. You call this whatever you like. I ain't the type to talk.
Now that I have my 2 pieces of hair unraveled, I'm going to take my crochet hook, place it through the braid, through an opening in my braid, lay that hair onto the crochet hook and pull it through.
But I never knew why.
So once you pull the hair through, pull it out on both sides so that it moves like so. Next, I am just going to distress the hair because that's the look that usually everyone goes for.
Please don't play with me, Estancia. I'm hoping that you really go.
So once I've done that, I'm going to put my real hair with the pair of twists that is laying down, and I'm pulling that so that my hair is tight right here. Next, I am taking the other pair and I am wrapping it toward my face. I go around the root about 2 or 3 times, and then I'm going to start working my way down the braid.
We got stacks on deck, we got Patron.
So just like with my faux lock tutorial, you want to close any gaps, which is why I just slid my hair up. After that, you can really just start wrapping your hair, and it's not much of a method to it. I'm distressing it as I go just to keep the look distressed, but I'm just wrapping my hair, and I'm not doing it very tight, but I'm also not doing it very loose. So once one of my pieces gets too short to keep wrapping, like this piece here, I am just going to trade it with a longer piece. It's that simple. So, and then I'm going to lay that piece down and then just continue wrapping again. So once I get toward the bottom, I am only going to continue with one of the pieces, and I chose this piece, and that's the piece I'm going to continue to wrap with. Now when I use this piece, because I'm at the bottom and I don't want my hair to unravel, I'm doing it super tight, like very tight until the end. And you'll know that you've done it correctly because when you let go, your hair won't unravel. So now that I finished that, I still want the boho look at the ends, and as you can see, it's straight at the ends instead of like more boho. It looks more like a faux lock. So I'm just taking one of these pieces and I am going to distress it, and then I'm going to cut it.
They need to chill with that bass shit. Shorty, you know I've been waiting. I ain't even gotta say shit.
Next, I am going to take one of the cut ends and I'm going to start working my way up very loosely until I get to the end of that hair, and I'll start tightening up. And I am doing that with both pieces. So as you can see, it looks better already.
I know you wanna start, but I never knew why. Whenever you call me, when you call it, whenever you call,
mine be off the wall. I might get this bitch my.
So this is what it looks like now. Instead of how it looked more like a faux lock, it looks more like a butterfly lock. I'm just gonna cut off the excess hair, and this is what I get. And this is the spring twist hair.
No trays with me. You ain't Marvin Lewis, but you calling these plays with me. You know you a dime, but I'm hoping you don't change. Said, oh, she gon' ride in. Bring like 5 friends for my guys in. We can get it rockin'.
So next, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the water wave hair, which I think is a little more difficult, but it is the same process. So I am taking that jam and I'm just sleeking my hair down again, and I'm going to detangle it and braid it up.
you were caught by the end of the night. So baby, won't you call by the end of the night?
So just like with the spring twist hair, I'm going to take my water wave hair, 2 pieces, and I'm going to crochet them through the opening in my braid.
I ain't the type to talk to however you like. I know you wanna start, but I never knew why. Was hoping you would call by the end of the night. So baby, won't you call by the end of the night? I ain't the type to talk to however you like. I know you wanna start, but I never knew why. But whenever you call.
So just to explain the process again, I've laid my real hair with one of the pairs, and then I'm taking the other pair and I'm going to wrap my root about 2 or 3 times, and I'm going to work my way down probably about an inch, and then I'll start wrapping loosely from there. Not too loose though, or not too tight.
She got a nigga complacent. I know these bitches been hating. They need to chill with that bass shit. Shorty, you know I've been waiting. I ain't even gotta say shit. Whenever you call, it's whatever you like. I ain't the type to talk to however you like. I know you.
So once I finish, this is what my hair looked like. It's a lot less stiff than when I used the spring twist hair, but it was the same process. This is what they look like next to each other. The one in the back is the spring twist and the one in the front is the water wave. This one here is the water wave up close once I've finished. And then in the next clip, I will show you the spring twist hair. I personally like the spring twist hair better. Anyway, thank you for watching. Go like, comment, and subscribe.
With me, Estancia, I'm hoping that you really gon' stay for me.